Now, next topic என்ன product of two vectors. இவ்வளோ நேரம் addition பார்த்தாச்சு, product வந்து product of a scalar quantity பார்த்தாச்சு, but இப்போ product of two vectors பார்க்க போறோம். Okay? So I have vector AB. The first one that we are going to see is going to be the dot product. Dot product na enna? A vector dot B vector. இதுதான் dot product. And this is given by the magnitude of A, magnitude of B times cos theta. Cos theta is the angle made between the two vectors. இப்போ A, B இருக்குனா, if this is my A and this is my B, this is going to be the theta. And we have to take the cos angle. Okay? So this is going to be the dot product. இன்னொரு dot product என்ன தெரியும்? It is going to be the product of the individual components A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3 and you can add them. இதுதான் dot product. புரிஞ்சுதா? And you also have to know that I dot I, J dot J, K dot K is going to be 1. எதனால? The cos theta is going to be a 0. Correct? I dot I na என்ன அர்த்தம்? I dot I na, we are talking about the x-axis. I dot I is going to be in the same axis, which means theta is going to be 0. So cos theta equals 1. Cos 0 is going to be 1. So I dot I, J dot J, K dot K is going to be 1. And I dot J is going to be 0. எதனால? I dot J na, this is my I and this is my J, x-axis and y-axis. So the angle is going to be 90. So I have cos 90 equals 0. Okay? So this also you should remember. Now, what is the angle between two vectors? You have angle between two vectors. You can give it in terms of dot product. So, இப்போனா இங்க பார்த்தோம் A dot B is going to be magnitude of A, B times cos theta. So, cos theta என்ன? The dot product divided by the magnitude of two vectors. புரிஞ்சுதா? அவ்வளவுதான். Very simple. And what is the commutativity? The dot product is going to be commutative. So, A dot B equals B dot A. ஏன்னா productல தானே இருக்கு. So, it doesn't matter. Now, two important properties of a scalar product. என்னென்ன தெரியும்? Distributive property. So, commutativity பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ next distributivity na என்ன? A dot B plus C. So, I can basically multiply. So, A dot B plus A dot C. So, A dot B plus A dot C னு எழுதலாம். இன்னொன்னு scalarல lambdaவால multiply பண்றேன்னா I have lambda times AB is going to be lambda times A dot B யும் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல A பண்ணிட்டு lambda B யும் multiply பண்ணலாம். So, என்ன மாதிரி வேணாலும் நம்ம distribute பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay? So, this is also associative property மாதிரி. Now, projection of a vector on a line. இப்போ ரெண்டு வெக்டர் இருக்கு. So, you have a vector B and a vector A. Projection என்ன அர்த்தம்? இந்த A வந்து இப்படி வந்து இந்த B மேலே வந்துருது. So, this is going to be the projection. Cos theta equals A dot B divided by mod A B. இப்படி எல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். So, the projection of vector A on the other vector B is given by 1 by the modulus of B times A dot B, which you can simply write it as mod A times cos theta. Mod A na the magnitude, basically the magnitude of A times cos theta. A dot B enna? I can write A dot B as cos theta times magnitude of A times magnitude of B. So, இந்த இடத்துல apply பண்ணா the magnitude of B and B gets cancelled. I'll be left with mod A times cos theta. So, இப்போ என்ன ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும்? The projection is going to be mod A times cos theta. So, this is one important point you have to remember. Okay? இன்னொன்னு angle எல்லாம் எப்படி எடுக்கணும் நமக்கு தெரியும். இருந்தாலும் நான் ரிவைஸ் பண்றேன். எப்பவுமே angle anti-clockwise directionல தான் measure பண்ணணும். So, this is my theta. So, இந்த இடத்துல this is going to be my theta. இந்த இடத்துல இது theta கிடையாது. Okay? Theta எங்கேருந்து எடுக்கணும்? Anti-clockwise. So, இந்த directionல தான் எடுக்கணும். எப்பவுமே anti-clockwise தான் போகணும். அதே தான் இங்கேயும். So, இந்த இடத்துலயும் x-axisலேருந்து இந்த இடத்துல எடுக்கணும். And also here you have to take it in such a way. Okay? இதெல்லாம் angle நமக்கு எடுக்க தெரியும், but ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Now, if P cap is the unit vector along the line L, then the projection of a vector A on the line L is given by A dot P. Okay? இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப simple. P is a unit vector, so it doesn't really matter. நம்ம சம்மா போடும்போது உங்களுக்கு புரியும். Okay? Now, if theta equals 0 or theta equals pi, அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? The projection vector of AB will be AB itself and இந்த இடத்துல it will be BA, அதாவது உல்டா. ஏன்னா theta equals 0 na, it is going to be the same thing. Cos theta, இல்லையா? Cos theta is going to be 1. So, AB க்கு AB ஆவே இருக்கும். ஆனா projection minus pi இருந்ததுன்னா, it is going to be minus 1, which means AB becomes BA. Okay? இதெல்லாம் நம்ம சம்மா போடும்போது புரியும். இந்த இடத்துல பாயிண்ட்ஸா கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால remember. And theta equals pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 na இப்பதான் பார்த்தோம். So, cos இருக்கிறதுனால the projection is going to be 0. Okay? Projection என்ன பேசிக்கா? A times cos theta, இல்லையா? So, அதை substitute பண்ணா A times cos theta. So, theta க்கு 0 போட்டா அதே value. Theta க்கு pi போட்டா it will be minus 1. Then theta க்கு pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 போட்டா it is going to be 0. Okay? Simple. So, this is the projection of vector. Now, let us solve examples. Example 13. Find the angle between the two vectors with magnitude 1 and 2. Okay? So, இப்போ magnitude of A கொடுத்துட்டான், which is going to be 1. And magnitude of b கொடுத்துட்டான், which is going to be 2. And they have also given the dot product. So a dot b யும் 1 ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டான். நம்ம எதுவுமே கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டாம். So நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? a dot b is going to be magnitude of a, magnitude of b times cos theta. So cos theta equals a dot b divided by magnitude of a, magnitude of b. So this is going to be 1 divided by 1 into 2, which is going to be 1 divided by 2. So theta and cos theta equals half na, I have 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 na 45, 60. So I have theta equals 60 degree, which is going to be pi divided by 3. So this is the angle made between A and B. Okay? Please copy. Example 14. Find angle theta between the vectors A and B. இப்போ vector form லே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So I'll write it A equals I cap plus J cap minus K cap, and B is given to be I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Okay, question தெரியுதா? I'll rewrite it. Now, I need to find the theta. So again, cos theta equals A dot B divided by magnitude of A times magnitude of B. இப்போ magnitude of A என்ன? Magnitude of A is going to be square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம போன exerciseலயே நிறைய போட்டோம். So this is going to be 1 plus 1 which is root 3. And magnitude of B is also going to be square root of 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, which is also going to be 1 plus 1, which is going to be root 3. இப்போ A dot B கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். A dot B na என்ன? It is going to be A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So basically எதையும் நான் multiply பண்றேன். So I have this into this, this into this, and this into this. So இதை தான் நம்ம A1 B1 A2 B2 பண்றோம். எதனால? இப்போ I cap dot I cap is going to be 1 because I know that cos theta is going to be cos 0, which is going to be 1. So I cap into I cap 1 ன்னு ஆயிடும். Okay, so we have A1 B1 A2 B2 A3 B3. So multiply பண்ணலாமா? So I have 1 into 1. இதுதான் A1 B1. Then A2 B2 is going to be 1 into minus 1 plus A3 B3 is going to be minus 1 into 1. புரிஞ்சுதா? இந்த இடத்துல A1 1, A2 is going to be 1, A3 is going to be minus 1. அதே மாதிரி B1 equals 1, B2 equals minus 1, B3 equals 1. Okay, when I substitute, I'll get 1 minus 1 minus 1. So in the end, I have minus 1. இப்போ cos theta and cos theta is going to be A dot B. So minus 1 divided by root 3 times root 3, which is going to be 1 divided by 3. So theta equals cos inverse of minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, please copy. Dot product கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், magnitude என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அதை substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். Okay? Example 15. If A and B are given, show that A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular. Okay? So இப்போ C vector நான் A plus B ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So when I find this, I have 5i minus j minus 3k plus I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. When I club the I terms, I have 5 plus 1 plus j club panna minus 1 plus 3 plus k club panna minus 3 minus 5. So in the end, I'm going to have 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 8 k cap. So this is going to be C. Now D is going to be the difference of the two vectors. So this is going to be 5i minus j minus 3k minus, always put a bracket, minus irundale bracket, 3j minus 5k. Now when I club the I terms together, I'll have I times 5 minus 1 plus j times minus 1 minus 3. ஏனா minus இருக்கு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. minus 1 minus 3 plus k times minus 3 plus 5. So this in the end is going to be 4 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. So this is going to be my vector D. இப்போ if they are perpendicular, I can see that cos pi by 2 is going to be 0. So இப்போ theta equals pi by 2 ன்னு வந்ததுனா, I have to prove that cos theta equals 0. I know that cos theta equals C vector dot D vector divided by magnitude of C vector times magnitude of D vector. Correct? இப்போ இந்த right hand side நான் 0 ன்னு prove பண்ணணும். So I need to find out the dot product of what I just found and the magnitude. So I have C இருக்கு. So C dot D is going to be, C ஓட valuesல என்ன? I have C values to be C1 equals 6, C2 equals 2, C3 equals minus 8. இதே இடத்துல D1 equals 4, D2 equals minus 4, D3 equals 2. So I need to do C1 D1 plus C2 D2 plus C3 D3. So when I club the values, C1 D1 and 6 4s are 24 plus C2 D2 is going to be 2 into minus 4. So minus 8 plus C3 D3 minus 8 into 2, which is going to be minus 16. So I have 24 minus 8 minus 16, which is going to be minus 24, which is 0. இப்போ நான் mod C mod D கண்டுபிடிக்கவே வேண்டாம். I see that cos theta equals 0 divided by the mod of C times mod of D, which is going to be 0. So I see that theta equals pi divided by 2. So C vector is perpendicular to D vector, which means நம்ம questionல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? A plus B vector is perpendicular to A minus P vector. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? This is how you prove. Dot product வச்சு தான் நம்ம angles கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay? Very simple. Please copy. Example 16. Find the projection of the vector on the vector B. Okay? இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு வெக்டருக்கும் projection நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? I know that projection of A on B is going to be 1 by B. On எதுவோ அதோட magnitude times A dot B. So first A dot B கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So A dot B is going to be, I have A1, A2, A3 என்னன்னு எழுதுவோம். So A1 2, A2 is 3, A3 is 2. Okay, can you see A1 is 2, A2 is 3 and A3 is 2. And B1 is 1, B2 is 2 and B3 is going to be 1. So A dot B is going to be 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1, which is going to be 2 plus 6 plus 2, which is going to be 10. A dot B கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ magnitude of B என்ன? It is going to be square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, which is going to be square root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is going to be root 6. So the projection equals A dot B, which is 10 divided by root 6. Okay? Please copy. Example 17. Find mod AB if the two vectors AB are such that mod A கொடுத்திருக்கு, mod B கொடுத்திருக்கு, A dot B கொடுத்திருக்கு. Okay? I need to find out A minus B. So, இதை நான் எப்படி பண்ண போறேன்? So, to find this, you have to apply a trick. So, I have mod of A minus B. When I square it, I can write this as A minus B dot A minus B. இது ஏன் பண்றேன்னு புரியுதா? When I take the dot product of exactly same vectors, this is going to be mod A times mod A times cos theta. இப்போ ஒரே வெக்டருங்கும் போது தீட்டாவோட வேல்யூ என்ன? 0. So this is going to be mod A times mod A, which is going to be mod A the whole square. So இதே தான் நான் reverse processல எழுதியிருக்கேன். Mod A the whole square becomes the dot product of the same function. So அதே தான் இங்கேயும். So இந்த இடத்துல mod A க்கு பதிலா I have A minus B the whole square is going to be dot product of the exact same functions. Now, I have written it in such a form. Now, what am I going to do? I am going to multiply distributive property. So, I am going to do A dot A minus A dot B. Okay, step up. So, I have A dot A minus A dot B. And in the minus B, so minus A dot B. What are the remaining terms in there? So, I have minus again B dot A. A dot B, B dot A. First, but it's commutative. I know it gets cancelled, but first step. So, minus B dot A. Then, what is left in the end? Minus minus plus side. I have B dot B. Okay. So, I have plus B dot D. Ippada na pota A dot A is going to be mod of A square. So, I have mod A square minus 2 times. In the this is going to be, I'll write one more step. So, A dot B minus A dot B. Edunala, I know that B dot A equals A dot B. Edunala, commutativity. Dot products are commutative. So, commutativity vachu indha mari podalam. Plus B dot B is going to be B square. So, this is nothing but mod A the whole square minus 2 times A dot B plus mod B the whole square is nothing but A minus B the whole square. இப்போ என்னென்ன value எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்கான்? I know mod A, which is going to be 2 square. So, I can directly substitute. So, I have 2 times A dot B and it is going to be 4. So, 4 plus mod B the whole square is going to be 3 square. So, this is going to be 4 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9. So, I have 9 plus 4 is going to be 13. 13 minus 8 is going to be 5. So, this is going to be A minus B or the whole square is 5. What do I need? I need A minus B. This is going to be square root of 5. Okay. Please copy. Example 18. If A is a unit vector of x minus a, x plus a equals 8, then find x. So, in the mari question, we will put porom. So, first let me write what's given. So, x minus a, x plus a equals 8. Okay, and a is the unit vector. So, a is going to be a unit vector. Na, in the mari a cap nu potukalam. Then find x in kekran. So, now let me multiply what is inside. So, I have x. This is the dot product. So, x times x minus plus x times x dot a minus a dot x cap minus a dot a. Okay, basically ஒரு term நான் multiply பண்றேன். So this இப்பதான் போன questionல பார்த்தோம். So I have this is going to be mod of x square plus I have x dot a minus x dot a commutativity minus a vector the whole square. So this is going to be mod x the whole square. This gets cancelled and I'll be left with minus a vector the whole square and this is given to be 8. If a is a unit vector na enartham mod a is going to be 1, correct? So if a is a unit vector na the mod value of a is going to be 1, which means a vector the whole square which is also going to be 1. So I have mod x the whole square minus 1 equals 8. So I have mod x the whole square equals 8 plus 1 which is 9. So I have mod x equals 3. Okay. So this is going to be the answer. Please copy. Since this is the magnitude, this is not going to be negative. So plus 3 ah irukku podhu. Ena adu distance illaya. Example 19. For any two vectors a, b, we always have a dot b less than or equal to mod a, mod absolute value of a, absolute value of b. Idu correct ah illaya check panna solranga. So idha eppadi check பண்ணுவோம்? What do we know? We know that a dot b equals mod a mod b times cos theta. So when I bring it to the other side, so if a dot b divided by a vector times b vector or magnitude equals cos theta. I know that cos theta is definitely less than or equal to 1. So I can write this simply as a dot b divided by mod a times mod b is less than or equal to 1. Now when I take this to the other side, I have a dot b or a dot product is definitely less than or equal to a times b. Okay, please copy. Now, example 20. For any two vectors, we always have. So, if it's triangle inequality, prove பண்ண சொல்றோம். இது எப்படி prove பண்ண போறோம்? So, I have நம்ம இதுக்கு ரெண்டு question முன்னாடி போட்டோம்ல அதே மெத்தட் தான். So, when I square this, I'm going to have a plus b dot product a plus b. புரிஞ்சுதா? Why am I doing this? I'll revise again. So I have a dot a. Same vectors na it is going to be mod a times cos 0. Because a ஒரே direction irukku. So theta is going to be 0. So this is nothing but mod a the whole square. So mod a the whole square dot product ஆவ எழுதலாம். Okay. I just revised. So this is going to be a dot a. When I start multiplying inside. So a dot a times a dot b. So this is going to be a dot b plus again I have b dot a plus b dot b. So this is going to be mod a the whole square plus 2 times a dot b plus mod b the whole square. Okay, everything is a vector. So in the mari formula irukku and I see that this is going to be mod of a plus b the whole square. So right hand side is of the form a vector plus 2 times a dot b எப்படி எழுதலாம்? mod a times mod b னு எழுதலாம் plus b square. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. Correct? Dot product in the mari formula எழுதுனா this is going to be a plus b the whole square and on the other side I have a plus b the whole square. இதுல நம்ம ஒரு cos theta term omit பண்றோம் இல்லையா? So I have a cos theta and I know that cos theta is going to be less than or equal to 1. So இந்த இடத்துலயே my inequality is going to change. Do you understand? இப்போ போன question நம்ம எப்படி போட்டோமோ the inequality is going to change. Now when I remove the square root on both sides, I have a plus b is less than or equal to mod a plus mod b, the magnitude basically. Mod na இந்த இடத்துல it is going to be the magnitude. Okay, please copy. Example 21. Show that the points a, b, c are collinear. So the collinear nu நம்ம already பார்த்திருக்கோம். So என்னென்ன பாயிண்ட்லாம் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்? I'm going to find a, b. So when I have a, b, I have to do b minus a vector. When I do that, I have I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap minus 2 I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. So this is going to be, I have I cap club panna 1 plus 2 plus j club panna 2 minus 3 plus k club panna 3 minus 5. So in total I have 3 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap. So this is going to be my A, B vector. Ipo B, C vector is going to be C minus B. Correct? So C minus B panna I have 7I minus k minus B, which is going to be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. When I subtract I thaniya edutha I have 7 minus 1 plus j va thaniya edutha first term la j ve illa. So 0 minus 2 plus k cap na minus 1 minus 3. So this is going to be 6 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap. Now CA is going to be A minus C, which is going to be A value enna? A is going to be minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. J romba pathetic irukku. J cap plus 5 k cap minus C enna vandhathu 7 I cap minus k cap. When I subtract these, I cap minus 2 minus 7 plus j cap thaniya edutha 3 minus 0 plus k cap edutha I have 5 plus 1. So this is going to be minus 9 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. Now when I find the magnitude of these terms, I have magnitude of AB is going to be AB inga irukka. So when I find the magnitude, I have square root of 3 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square is going to be square root of 9 plus 1 plus 4, which is going to be root 14. Ipo BC, what magnitude edutha? What is my BC? I just got it here. This is going to be square root of 6 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square. So when I do that, I have square root of 36 plus 4 plus 16, which is going to be 16 plus 4 20, 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 plus 16 is going to be root 56. Root 56 is nothing but, I can write this as 14 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 5. So this can be written as 2 root 14. Okay, it's 14 into 4. So 4 veliyila edutha square root of it becomes 2. Now I have CA magnitude, which is going to be square root of minus 9 the whole square plus 3 square plus 6 square. This is going to be 81 plus 9 plus 36. 81 plus 9 is going to be 90. 90 plus root 36 is going to be 126. 126 is nothing but 14 times 9. 9 4s are 36. 3 9 7 10 11 12. So 3 root 14. Idhile enna theriyudhu? I see that AB plus BC equals CA. Abdina enna artham? I have A, B, C, which means AB plus BC equals CA. They are all in one single line. So we proved that they are collinear. Okay? Punjda? Avladhan, as simple as that. So with this we are done with the example questions. Let's move on to exercise questions.